Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Partybox Stage 320 wireless Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset back to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is having pairing issues like it's not pairing with Bluetooth or it's not connecting to your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, it's having sound issues, or if it's stuck paired to the wrong device, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. And the second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to wipe everything off of this speaker so that you can go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that real easily. Since we're going to be setting it up new, we can go ahead on any phones or whatever we've had it paired to in the past and have them forget this speaker. Once we've done that, then all we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to find this light button here and the play button here, and we're going to press and hold them simultaneously for more than 10 seconds. So after those 10 seconds or so, that will cause this speaker to reset to its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker. So if this worked for you, let me know, and if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.